Hello everyone, welcome to Digittrix. Today we are explaining the features of Astrology App developed by Digittrix. You can sign up on our app as a user to take astrologer services and as an astrologer also to provide astrology services as a consultant. Now first we see features as a user. So when we open the app, we land on a home screen. At the top you see a search bar where you can directly search for your requirement related to astrology. Now we see 4 icons here. First one is Chat with Astrologer. Let's open up this now. Now you can see the list of astrologers registered in our app. From the top bar, you can filter out the astrologers based on your preferences like love, education, career and many more. From the list, choose astrologer by checking their experience and charges for them. Here you can see some chat icons are green and others are marked red. So the red one shows that this astrologer is currently offline and the green one is online. Now choose any random astrologer. You see a pop-up mentioning charges and details. Now fill your basic details like name, date of birth and your questions, etc. Here I am using my previous details and clicking on Start Chat. After that you will get a pop-up which will show the chat is going to start in 2 minutes. Let's go back and choose the second option, Call with Astrologer. This is also same as chat. Let's go back and choose the third option, which is Astro Seva Shop. From the top search bar, search the icon you want to shop or choose from below list. I want to buy a pendant, so I am clicking on it. You see there is a list of different pendants. I want ruby pendant, so I click on it. Now I can see the image and description of ruby pendant, including its use cases and key features. Below you can also see the client reviews and rating about this. Now I want 2 pendants, so click +1 and click on Book Now. Enter your address and click on Pay. Cross-check your details. Now if you have any promo code, you can enter it to get a discount. Now if you have balance in your wallet, then pay through wallet or pay online. Let's go back and see the fourth option, that is Book a Puja. Then we have live astrologers. Currently there is no live astrologer. Now let's open our second phone to go live as an astrologer. Now we open our app and swipe a little bit, then we see an option to go live now. As we click on the astrologer gets live, now on our first phone it's showing that an astrologer is live. Let's join the live. Now after joining the live, we can ask our question. Let's say help to astrologer and the astrologer gets your message. You can also call the astrologer during the live session to ask your queries. Let's click on call icon and choose audio or video call. From the gift icon you can share some gifts to your astrologer. You can also share the link of live astrologer on different platforms. Now leave the live from the user account. Also I am ending the live from the astrologer account. Now come back to the user account. Below the live section, there are banners of offers. You can also check them. Below it, there is a section of free services. Click on View All to check all the services you get. Most popular free services are today Horoscope and Kundali Match. Below it, you see recommended astrologers. After it, you see a list of blogs related to astrologers. So if you are interested in news and articles related to astrology, then this will definitely prove useful to you. After this, there are celeb videos on astrology. And at last, there is a feedback from which you can fill if you have any suggestions. Now at the top right, there is a wallet from which you can recharge your wallet. Then at the right side of the wallet, there is option to change app language and then option to chat with support. Click on Chat with Support, choose your issue from the list and your issue gets resolved by the team. Now let's go back to our second device in which we have login with an astrologer. Now first you see special offer section which you can enable to attract users. Then below it there are trending video section. And then there is a weekly timetable option so that you can easily manage your availability on the app. Click on Edit Timetable. You can easily manage your online and offline status at a particular time. Simply tap on a time you wanted to go offline and your status schedules to offline for a particular time. This feature is really helpful in daily routine. Let's go back. Then we have a go live part which we already covered. After that, scroll down. You will find many options like call, chat and many more. Let's cover each of them. First we click on call. Here you can see the complete call history and other details. You can easily open Kundli of that person from here, and you can also suggest a remedy in chat after the call gets disconnected. You can also refund the call amount from here. Then we have a chat option here. If any user is continuously sending you spam messages, then you can report the user. Then we have a wallet option. You can see your earned amount on daily and monthly basis. And the best part is, you don't need to calculate your TDS and other charges. We have done it for you. Then we have a waitlist section. During your live or during the call with any other user, if any other user are trying to contact you, then they all shows here. You can see the details and send them a request. Then the next is support section. If you face any type of issue, then click on support and then chat with customer support. Find your related issues and start the chat with support. Next is offers. You can see all your running offers. You can pause or continue your offer. Then we have my reviews. When users will give you review after a chat or call, they will show here. You can also reply to their reviews. Then you have an in-mail option. Any email from our team will show up here. Then we have suggestion remedies. You see your suggested past remedy here, and you can suggest next remedy from here itself. First click on add remedy, then choose between paid or free remedy. So clicking on free remedy, then fill the details and click submit. If paid remedy, you can set your remedy price and rest is same. Let's go back and see the next one. Now we have setting. You got a general setting options here. Then next is event. From here you can join other astrologers live by clicking on join, or you can start your own live session. Then in profile part, you can do basic edits like your profile. Then in my followers option, you can simply check who follows you. You can also find the list of the blocked users. And that's it for now. Stay tuned for more features. Thank you.